Now that the AI revolution is here, I think the question becomes, what do we do while the AI does our work?
Do the thing.
As I found myself vibe coding more and more this year, I'd also find myself sitting there waiting and either picking up my phone and doom scrolling or going over to YouTube and just watching something probably kind of mindless. And while that's nice, sometimes it really takes you out of the focus of what you're really trying to accomplish sometimes.
Hands free, baby.
For the first episode, we went to Canyonlands, Utah. I just wanted to prototype it and make sure that it could work. But for the second episode, I wanted more of a specific point of interest. The only problem was that we were met with a full week of 50-mile-an-hour winds once we got there, so I had some technical challenges to say the least. Cool. For the past decade, I've been essentially trying to replace myself as a developer. I prefer to focus more on the design side of things anyways, so we released a tool earlier this year called Bonsai CLI and mixed that with Cursor. Anyone with no coding experience is able to come up with a professional web app starting point in about 20 minutes, something that I would probably charge at least 5 to 10 grand for in the past. Obviously, where you take it from there is still the technical challenge that would require someone with experience to do, but the fact that I can save weeks worth of time and accomplish this while I'm hiking in a beautiful location, exploring the outdoors, is really just a sign that the way we work in the future is going to look a lot different than the way we worked in the past.
You good? Continue.
In fact, it's probably going to be unrecognizable. Right now, it's quite a technical challenge. I'm running my MacBook through my Vision Pro. I have to be able to talk to the MacBook through a wireless USB mic that I've attached to my Apple Watch. And I have to have a Starlink dish on my back with a big battery that powers everything. I can't lose Starlink connection during the build. There's a lot of things that can go wrong, and sometimes they do, but I truly think in the next 5 to 10 years, this could actually be the future of work and lifestyle design.
It worked, baby. That's what I'm talking about. So this was an experiment to make this as much hands-free as possible, and it worked. I only had to touch it a couple times. So I'm gonna put the Vision away real quick.